I don't know if I'm right. The one and only boxer that worked with Alex Ariza aside from Pacquiao. Did he work with any other Filipino boxers?
Ah, I think nung time na nasa Baguio siya, tumulong-tulong siya. Pero hindi yung ganito na like,
Officially.
oo, officially na devoted siya sa ano. Kasi grabe yung focus ni Alex dito, to be fair
Yun na
Yung
nga. Mhm.
yung focus at tutok niya dito, yung dedication niya kay Kenneth, parang Manny Pacquiao eh. Ganun yung ginagawa niyang
Yes.
dedication. So kung ganun yung hinahanap mo na dedication, parang wala nga eh. Pero for what I know, yung mga nakasama ni Manny Pacquiao sa gym na Filipino boxers in the past, binigyan niya rin, oh sige, gawin mo to, gawin mo yan, tinuruan niya din. That's as
Mm-mm.
far as it goes. Pero other than Filipino boxers, of course, eh, kung resume lang naman pag-uusapan, never mind the other Filipino boxers, andyan yung Amir Khan, di ba? Andyan yung Floyd Mayweather, Julio Cesar Chavez, di ba? And the
Yes.
list goes on and on. So, isa pa yan, si Alex Ariza. I'd like to think na may nakita siya dito kasi sa totoo lang, knowing Alex and yung resume niyan, hindi naman kukuha ng patapon yan eh. Di ba?
Exactly.
Hindi ako kukuha, kita
Kasi
niya, ay,
tinanong ko
wala.
siya eh.
Oo.
Tinanong ko siya nung nanood kami one time ng boxing sa Makati. Sabi ko, ba't wala kang boxer? Sabi niya, no, hindi ako basta-basta kumukuha. Kaya tinanong ko siya
Mm.
nung interview na, ba't mo to kinuha? Aside from Jerry Peñalosa, you must have seen
Ah,
something
ah,
dito
ah, ah.
kay Kenneth Lover. I guess the reason why I brought that up, of course, Alex Ariza is a big name in boxing, especially the Philippines and around the world with his strength and conditioning. I mean, si Kenneth, hindi pa siguro ganun kasubok yung strength and conditioning kasi ang bibilis na tinatapos eh. But how important is this as early as now na natatrain agad siya ng isang world-class conditioning?
Napaka-importante habang bata.
Mm.
Sabi nga ni Alex Ariza, ngayong bata siya, walang reklamo, lahat ginagawa, wala pang
Mm-mm.
arte. So it's very important to get him kasi people have to understand that hitting your prime, hitting your tip-top shape as an athlete doesn't come, especially sa boxing, doesn't come in one fight. Ano yan eh, progress. It's
Mm-mm.
progressive, unti-unti, fight after fight after fight after fight. Okay? So sabihin natin you're counting the years. Kailan pa if not now? So if you want to hit your peak and if you want to get in tip-top shape as early as you can, and especially sa mga laban na ipinaplano dito kay Kenneth Luberta that I unfortunately cannot disclose yet as of now,
Mm.
'di ba? Kailangan niya na si Alex Ariza ngayon. At
Okay.
saka to be fair, yung Luis Concepcion, kailangan niya rin doon yung ano, kasi ito hindi siya titigilan nito eh. Round
Yeah,
1 to
for
round
sure.
10, kung aabot mo ng round 10, wala yan, hahabulin siya ng hahabulin, bobodegahin siya lahat. So he needs all the help he can get, and I think they get along well sa team, Alex and Kenneth Luber. And I think that's a good sign. And I think that's good. Kasi sometimes ang galing ng conditioning coach or nung sinong coach, nag-aaway-away naman sa camp, so hindi rin nagagawa yung mga kailangan.
Okay.
So, ang
Yeah.
laking bagay. Ang laking bagay. He has to start now. He has to start early. Progressive, dahan-dahan. Hit your peak and then your best form.